Okay, that's what I thought. I was like, I was incredibly fucking confused. I was like,
He shot his rifle with the 1911.
what was he like picking up the 1911 and misfired?
Nope. So the girl,
Hmm.
Haley, the teacher, then into me and whatnot. I think I'm flirting with her, some random bullshit. So
Well,
we
you could have
go.
been.
No, but they've got a target set up one night, and we're just fucking off at this point. So, and Renee wants a photo of her and the target she did. So her and Haley go up. They let up a couple of guns against the target, whatnot. Trying to be like, oh yeah, we did this and we're badasses, blah blah blah.
Move to secure the premises.
Same shit. First time
Suspects are
shooters
highly
usually do.
volatile.
And Michael, when he took the rifles up there, never brought them back, and I wasn't paying attention. And he wanted to do the dual wield 1911s. And he grabs them both, goes to town on it. And we're like, all right, where's the rifles? Like, oh shit, they're up here. He goes up and grabs them, and he fucking realizes he shot his rifle. He shot the guard. Gas
Did he
tube
fuck up
spot-
the rifle? Oh, yep.
I mean, the guard was caved in on itself. Barrel's fine. The gas tube bent in. It's like, dude.
Damn.
It's
Fucking
expensive.
hell.
So you have to pull that hand guard off, replace the gas tube, get a new hand guard.
Yep. But,
Handguard's probably gonna be a bitch to get off.
We got it off pretty easy.
Oh, yeah? Hey.
It's still a thing of like,
Entry team, this is Todd.
wow.
Medical assistance.
Give me your cheeks. Your cheeks are mine.
Right.
Can't have them.
It's probably gonna be max $400 or $500 to get fixed.
Yeah.
I mean, all he needs is a gas tube and a guard, and I can't imagine either one's that expensive.
The guard will be expensive.
Depends on what he gets, but yeah.
It doesn't matter if he gets Picatinny, M-Lock, whatever. It doesn't matter.
$200-300.
Yeah.
Doc, suspect down. Wounded.
Lead, this is Todd.
Shame.
Make them stable and proceed
I should at least
with
get a hit
mission.
marker for when I hit people. Like, come on.
Evidence good to go. Zipped up.
I actually hope if I look at the map.
Yeah.
Put the stack on this door.
Roger.
Door's good. Use the mirror. Check for targets.
Mirror ready.
Hmm.
Got multiple openings here. Looks clean.
How's that
Eyes on
sound?
one suspect.
Good enough for me. I just can't see fuck all.
Yeah.
Open and deploy
Todd,
flashbangs.
this would me.
Yep. Good luck, everybody else.
Flashing it.
And turn now. Good luck, everybody else.
Oh, hey, I was not going the way I thought I would.
Ah.
No, I was going the right way. It just looked different on the map.
Don't you fucking move.
Lead. Talk. One in custody.
This is Talk. Trailer's ready.
You have no right. Don't move.
Hands up! Drop the weapon!
Okay, I don't have anything else on me. Blow me. I'm not into this computer shit.
Stand still. Do not move.
Is that you that just broke Linda?
Yeah.
Talk.
Yeah.
One suspect
Police
in
vest
custody.
level 2 in
Depart.
here.
Talk to lead.
Some
Trailer
guy
standing by.
Whatever you're here for, it's got nothing to do with me. Evidence good.
I also have a Molotov cock.
Oh.
Got it bagged.
Mirror
I
for
got some
suspects.
painkillers. And a Tommy
One
gun.
ready.
I've got a sniper rifle and an MPK5.
Fuck yeah.
It's good.
And the ammo to back 'em. To some degree.
We've had people break in here. For fuck's sake, they're dressed like you.
Okay, that's how I do that. And some 12 gauge ammo. Why? I don't know. There's probably a 12 gauge in here somewhere.
Door staying clear.
Moving up. Swap.
Ready to knock.
I swear. Going in. Just the security. That's it.
I also have a bike.
Nothing here, sir.
I need to figure out how to
Good here.
fucking equip shit to the
Hands over
guns.
here. No contact.
Hit
Hey,
start.
I also found a shotgun.
On your six.
Oh, there you go.
Oh, Kurt Cobain.
Kurt Cobain,
Cobain
POV.
POV.
However, there is a. I have a lot of oh, I found a helmet. I have a helmet now.
Huge.
Victor Nogan.
Yeah, second floor in this building, I have an MPK5 if you want it. It's 150 rounds.
We'll take the ammo.
You're in my way, sir.
Well, the MPK5 has it attached, I guess. Or I have it. I don't fucking know. I don't know how to work this stupid thing.
An opening up ahead. Looks clear over here, boss.
Light stick out.
Open, bang, and clear.
On it.
And some attachments.
Opening on the left.
Muzzle lock, you say?
Empty over here. No contact.
Dropping the light.
What do you mean a fucking blizzard zone?
Hands up!
Cuffing.
Hey, an AK.
Hey.
Hands up! Down on your knees!
Element,
Turn
good to
around
Those
go.
are
slowly.
I found a frying pan.
Keep it coming.
For you.
That's all you need.
Securing. Going into cuff.
Protects my ass.
Zipped up and good to go.
Talk to Element. Trailers en route.
Ready. Lead.
Which, who wants to just not ADS with a goddamn scope?
Trailers inbound.
The double tap your trigger.
Hands up!
I know how to do it.
Oh, okay.
I'm just saying.
Yeah.
I just want the ammo. God damn it.
We're like dead center on that, just about.
Making it safe.
Or dead center of the zone.
Pick up 9mm, 12 gauge. There's a Vector over here, by the way.
Yeah.
Check it with the wand.
Doing it.
What's up here? Oh, more 9mm and a VSS.
Opening on the right. Nothing. We're good.
I just picked up all of the ammo. Yes, I have.
Get on the ground now! Restraining.
Well, I've
Across
got
this
it.
large open field and see what happens.
One cuff. Compliant.
It doesn't look like anybody's in that building there.
Arm down! Blow me! Okay, man, but listen,
Hands
we're
up!
not
Above your
doing
head,
anything
Ray.
wrong.
We're gonna get you out of here.
Moving into handcuffs.
What are you here for?
We're getting you out of
Livy
here.
is ready.
Element, this is Talk. Trailers on the way. Lead, this is Talk. Trailers en route.
Fuck you!
Oh, they'd be shooting.
All right, now hop in the basket.
Oh, you brought the bike up here.
Get down!
Hands up! LFPD, don't move!
Oh, that's close.
Turn around. Keep your hands up.
You're not in trouble. Don't worry.
Tactical bicycler.
Civilian is good to go.
Good to go.
Compliant.
Push.
Talk reporting. Trailers incoming.
Civilian is ready. Lead the talk. Civilian is good to go.
I'm guessing it's over the
Talk to
train
entry team.
station is where
Send them our way.
the shooting is.
Yeah.
You're supposed to keep people out, not keep them.
Think about what this is going to look like.
Secure the area.
I got it.
How the fuck was I supposed to know you guys were police? I work security for this place.
How do I fucking pull up my
Secure.
third one?
Scan an area for any contacts.
Question.
I have a whole shotgun I can't get to.
You have to drop the other two first, and then you can pull it out.
I have to drop my other two guns to pull out another gun that I have.
Whatever you're here for has got nothing to do with me.
I'm going in.
What the hell are you doing? No badge, no warrant. You guys are fucked and you know it.
Assume there's nobody there. There's just a gun and ammo.
Cool. Somebody's shooting.
Yeah, there's a guy approaching.
I'm on it.
Yeah, I see him. He just ran across the street.
Got a guy up in a window. Took out guy in a window.
Provide support.
You got points.
I can't aim.
Out of your goddamn mind?
Uh,
Nothing incriminating on the servers. Listen to what I'm telling you.
yeah, I feel like all the action's coming from in that building.
I'm currently fighting two people.
Do you want to give me an idea on where they are?
Big green building right in front of it is where they were. I don't know where they are now.
Big green building. You don't have a. You have a big green building that says exit for the train
Yeah, that
depot.
one.
I didn't see shit in there.
You know, they're outside.
Oh,
now.
somebody's driving a car. That's. Ah! Oh god, the guy I killed came back and is trying to kill me. I'm down.
Oh, fuck.
Where the
See if
fuck
I can
did he
make it
come
to you.
For contacts.
from? I'm dead now.
This mission has resorted to what it was last time, where I'm just running around trying to find one specific thing or two specific things.
Ah. Great success. Not really. But...
Jesus, Julian, you've been playing this a lot more than I thought. Level 44.
Ugh.
Yeah, they were fucking rolled up in that goddamn clown car. And I thought those guys were gonna kill me. No, it was the fucking motherfucker I domed. Repeatedly. My piece of shit little rifle.
Search and secure the area.
Yeah, my little rifle only used 9 mil.
Oh, fuck. No clue where that came from.
Probably the same guy that killed me. Fucking somewhere.
Maybe. Yeah.
Yeah, he's level what? 323.
Yeah.
Search. Secure any contacts.
Report player. That's not what I'm trying to do. I just want to leave.
Too good. I poured his ass.
Did you say deport? Or report?
I'm just trying to leave this goddamn game. Well, I'm done with this.
Fair enough.
Listen, I've been fucked up twice. I got one kill, but boy howdy, did it come back and kill me somehow.
I swear to God. I just do security. That's it.
I'm gonna check on the Galactic War.
Oh, I'm gonna go ahead and lean the fuck back then.
Lean back now, you're not stressed.
Yep.
Here's the trick, I didn't lean back at all in that game. I had no faith of living. Yes, yes. Give me my medals. I deserve them.
No badge, no warrant. You guys are fucked and you know it.
Yes, we have repelled the enemy from Hort and Nigger Bay. We don't have any standing major orders.
Ah,
Think about what this is going to look like.
You better let me go. I'll tell the other guys who you are.
Incriminating on the servers.
Oh yes, I got the heavy Luftwaffe.
beautiful.
The heavy falafeler.
I
Now I have the gas
be back.
Needs to be rebuilt from the
What are
ground
you up to, Garrett?
We can
Crimson
barely
Desert.
afford to keep this place running.
I figured.
About to get yelled at because these people keep walking in front of this electric cube I'm
What's
holding,
happening?
and they don't like to get shocked.
Fuck the people. They fucking kept stealing my the food I put up for the dog.
Let me see those hands. Get down. I want to see hands up. Drop to your knees. Get down.
I've resorted to violence. I'm just gonna kill people and do that.
This is bullshit.
The game will tell me whether it's a very important character or if it's not important.
It is dumb how they can just do that. Like, obviously, I'm not trying to just randomly drop it for some dipshit off the street.
Yeah, I just think feeding animals should be its own mechanic. Like, press square to feed, press